Okay? And then you're going to get your feet right in there like that. Okay? So this is a closer view for you. So here's, like if I click this, it's going to go to 1. See how the 1 lit up? If I click this, it's going to go to auto first. So we got just auto. If I click it again, it's going to go to 2. And then if I click this, it'll just go to high. So if you just want straight up high vibration, you want to do that. If you want low vibration, you go there. If you want no vibration, you go like that. But I'm going to put it on auto. And then if I want to go to number 3, I just go bam. And there we go, Bob's your uncle. That's how you do it. See that right there? And now you can get a better idea of what it's doing to my feet. Look at that. That works the calves. Yep, it's definitely a good massage. Look at it squeezing. All right. Ooh. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos.